This is the tire I'm going to make with SolidWorks. This is the 3D view. I'm just opening SolidWorks window and taking right plane, choosing rectangle with the sides of 150 mm one side and the other side is 75 mm. The distance from the origin point is 75 mm. Okay. Now I'm going to choose center line to draw a center line from origin point. Now choose 2 points and make it vertical in a single line. So I'm choosing center line again and making a reference line. Now drawing 2 lines to complete our geometry. Now trimming one side and choosing a smart dimension to set the dimensions. Vertically 15 mm. The distance from the center line about 10 mm. Now I am going to mirror these 2 lines to save my time. Now the next operation is trim. Now I am going to fillet some corners to give it a perfect shape as per my design. 30 mm fillet, and this corner should be 25 mm. I'm choosing the both corners, and this corner should be 10 mm. And finally I am taking 3 mm to fillet the last 2 corners. I am ignoring the warning because I need this geometry. Now I am sketching 2 lines and going to mirror to save some of my time. The next is I'm going to choose 3-point arc and setting my dimensions, choosing 20 mm and the vertically and the it's horizontally 50 mm and the radius should be 80 mm. Our next operation is going to be fillet some corners. I'm going to choose 3 mm and fillet all the corners. Now the 2 disc is complete. I'm going to revolve, choosing the line, and I'm selecting the contours, 2 contours. This is the initial 3D shape. Now I'm going to select a reference plane 170 mm apart, sketch. Now I'm going to sketch some geometry over there. First of all, I'm going to draw a center line and I'm going to choose a corner rectangle. A square with 20 mm sides. Make the 3 point in a single line. Perfect. Now making the 2 lines as a construction line. Now I'm going to draw another sketch. Choose it carefully. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to select some dimensions for that. This side should be 25 mm and horizontally it should be 35 mm. Perfect. Now the distance should be 7.5 mm. Now I'm going to mirror these two sketches to make it faster. Fantastic. The next operation should be extrude. Yeah, it's good, I think. So I'm going to extrude up to the body, up to next. Okay. Yeah, almost done. The last operation is going to select the center line and circular pattern. I'm going to make 40 number of pieces. I'm choosing the boss extrude, taking some time to draw. Yeah, this is the desired shape. Okay, looking nice, huh?